Hi, everybody. I'm Mandy Flower, Johnson County CDDO Director. We just wanted to take a minute to thank our network, our CSPs, our case managers, everyone that has worked so hard for years, and especially during COVID-19. While COVID-19 upset the apple cart for a lot of us, many of us had the opportunity to work from home. Unfortunately, for our direct service professionals and residential providers, that wasn't an option. Many of our staff, supportive home care, day service staff, still had to show up to work even at the beginning of the pandemic when we knew nothing about COVID-19. These staff continued what they've always done, making sure that people are safe, taken care of, and have the opportunity to live the life they deserve. These staff also came up with creative ways to try and help with the pandemic and help with keeping people busy, keeping people occupied, as well as finding creative ways to celebrate while we were all under a stay-at-home order. These were not easy tasks, and we recognize that. And we want to commend everyone that has come together and work so hard to keep the people we serve safe, healthy, and having the opportunity to live the life that they want to live in the community that they want to live. We also want to recognize all of the work that our staff do day in, day out, regardless of COVID-19. As the CDDO also has been impacted by COVID and many of our meetings have gone to Zoom, when we're not in a Zoom atmosphere, staff get the opportunity to go out, visit providers, see staff, and talk to them while they're working. More face-to-face, one-on-one interaction, and more opportunities to collaborate and all of those sort of things. Since we went to Zoom, we haven't been able to go out and face-to-face be able to see the great work people are doing. And we definitely don't want that great work to go unnoticed. So with that, we will be providing an award ceremony today for some of the staff that have been nominated by their peers, others in the network, partners, and community members to recognize the great work that they do. Now, we wish we could give everyone an award and recognize the great work that everyone has done in the community. However, we don't have that much time. So I also want to say thank you to everyone who has pitched in, who has done their part, who's worked a shift when maybe their children were at home because school was canceled, who worried about the pandemic, who had family members get sick from the pandemic and still came to work every day with a smile on their face to ensure that the people in Johnson County with an IDD disability had the opportunity to have a good day during a pandemic. Thank you all.
Cortez and Nancy have been the one constant inside the walls of Daryl's group home during the entirety of these unprecedented times. They communicated his needs regularly, answered questions, sent pictures, and helped make a difficult situation better. I believe because of their advocacy and actions, Daryl got the medical care he needed when he needed it, and I believe that is why he is still here today. Christy is a team player who is willing to assist in all of the Life Center's programs or departments to make sure the clients always come first. While assisting at the JCDS COVID-19 vaccine clinic last week, Christy assisted a family who was there to get vaccinated with jump-starting their car. She did not hesitate to go out in the rain to help them in their time of need. She truly has a heart of gold and is always going above and beyond to brighten people's day. Candy has been tireless in her efforts to keep Life Center clients and staff healthy and safe during the pandemic. Most recently, Candy assisted at the JCDS COVID-19 vaccine clinic, where she jumped right in to assist others in the IDD community through their vaccine process. She then turned that experience around to organize a very successful clinic, which was held at Life Centers of Kansas. Candy is a hero to our clients, and her work paves the way for the continued health and safety of the individuals we serve, as well as Life Center staff members. Jessica was an instrumental part in the development of the COVID task force, which in turn brought on weekly testing for staff members throughout the IDD community. Her passion for the health and well-being of the individuals she serves was her top priority and is to this day. During this unprecedented time, she has guided everyone on her team in making sure the shelter-in-place experience was as fun and enjoyable as possible for both clients and staff. Jessica has been and continues to be a hardworking, caring, and compassionate person who is always there, not only for the individuals she serves, but also for her employees. Michelle has many great attributes, and her ability to positively adjust when changes arise, keep staff morale high when implementing new ideas, and go above and beyond to ensure our individual safety, needs, and overall well-being are up to company standards make her the perfect candidate for this award.
Hi, Steve. Congratulations. I'm really proud of you, and you definitely deserve it. I know that you work tirelessly to help the individuals that you support have the best life possible, and I know that you do the same to help your employees become the best that they could possibly be too. Nobody works harder than you, and nobody shows up more than you, so you deserve it.
What makes Steve an incredible supervisor is his clear passion for people, especially the staff and individuals that he supports. He gives of himself humbly and greatly, and we are very grateful to have him on our team.
Marilyn has worked tirelessly in Johnson County for many decades, advocating for people with an IDD diagnosis. She has worked hard at the local and state level to ensure people in service get the supports that they need. She has been a resource for many of us who work in this field. Marilyn has decided to retire at the end of May 2021. As this is a well-deserved retirement, our community will miss her advocacy, strength, and knowledge.